Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, you're just going to see me working on some different classroom things. This is the last vlog before I get into my classroom on Monday. And I'm starting out here just putting together the calendar flip chart that I use. Now, this person, the seller is called Young and Lively Kindergarten. This seller has easily gotten a decent chunk of my money because I have bought every single calendar I need for the school year from her. And it is the best thing because I absolutely hate using a physical calendar for my calendar time. I love the digital aspect. There's so many pages in here. There's between 70 and 80 pages in each one. And right now I'm just going through and deleting the ones I don't want and then going through and just putting them in order, making a few changes, and then saving it because, oh my goodness, we start school in a couple of weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I'm gonna be quiet now.
But I told you so.
So this year I am trying to jump on the digital planning bandwagon, and this lovely, beautiful digital planner was created by yours truly. Now, obviously all the links don't work perfectly because I don't know what I'm doing, but I love this thing so much. So I will keep you guys updated and posted on how this thing works out for me. If you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll do another video on it.
Is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Chance, watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts.
So you're going to see in not a lot of time, but this is how I'm going to organize my magnetic letters. I finally have enough to use in centers this year. Last year I borrowed some from another teacher on my team, and she was so nice to let me do that, but Target came through for me in the dollar spot, and I finally have some of my own. Woohoo!
Started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. Got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay too long.
guys. I cannot wait to see these new decorations in my classroom next week. They look so beautiful, and I feel like I love them even more knowing that I was able to make these all myself. I have no Teachers Pay Teachers links for these. I am so sorry, but I tend to make my things on the fly. I grab images from Google, and ain't nobody got time for lawsuit.
There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa.
Would you believe that I have had that laminator on the right side for the past 3, almost 4 years? I got that one when I was student teaching. It is moaning and groaning. It is so loud. But would you believe that the one on the other side, that pretty one from Target, is the one that has cut off on me twice already? Very scary. I need laminator recommendations.
We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell. I am looking so forward to being in my classroom next week, and I hope you will follow me along on the journey. Bye guys, see you next time.